Picture this: two men walk into the same restaurant, both order the same meal, both wear expensive watches. On the surface, they seem equally successful, but beneath the surface, their realities couldn't be more different. One is truly free while the other is simply earning more. This opening scene sets the stage for a deeper exploration into what money really means and how it shapes our lives. As we move forward, you'll discover why appearances can be deceiving and why true freedom isn't always tied to income. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind wealth and freedom. What you're about to hear has the power to change how you see money forever. Many of us chase higher salaries, bigger bonuses, and more impressive titles, believing that these are the keys to happiness and security. But is that really true? This video will challenge your assumptions and reveal a new way to think about wealth. As we move through each scene, you'll learn why some people feel broke despite earning thousands, and why others, seemingly invisible, hold the keys to real freedom. Prepare to shift your mindset and see money in a whole new light. Why do some people earn thousands every day yet still feel broke? It's a question that puzzles many. On the other hand, there are those who seem quiet, almost invisible, yet they possess true freedom. The answer is simple but rarely understood: income is not wealth. This scene introduces the core concept that earning more doesn't automatically mean you're wealthy. As we transition to the next scene, we'll break down the difference between being rich and being wealthy, and why understanding this distinction is crucial for your financial future. Let's clarify a fundamental truth: income is not wealth. Many people confuse the two, thinking that a high salary or impressive business revenue automatically means they're wealthy. But wealth is about what you keep, not just what you earn. This scene sets the foundation for the rest of the video, emphasizing that true financial security comes from assets that generate income even when you're not actively working. As we move forward, we'll explore the difference between being rich and being wealthy and why this distinction matters. Being rich is all about income. It's your salary, your business revenue, and your monthly cash flow. These are the numbers that show up on your paychecks and bank statements. But while income can make life comfortable, it doesn't necessarily lead to lasting wealth. In the next scene, we'll see how being wealthy is a different game entirely, one that focuses on assets and long-term growth. Understanding this difference is the first step toward real financial freedom. Being wealthy is about assets. These are things that make money while you sleep: real estate, stocks, and businesses that run without your daily involvement. Assets are the foundation of true wealth because they continue to grow and generate income even when you're not actively working. As we transition to the next scene, we'll use a powerful analogy to illustrate the difference between income and wealth, helping you visualize why assets are so important. Think of income as a river. It flows fast, bringing immediate benefits. But just like a river, it can dry up if the source disappears. Wealth, on the other hand, is a reservoir. It stores power over time, providing stability and security even when the river slows down. This analogy helps you understand why relying solely on income is risky, and why building a reservoir of assets is the key to lasting financial freedom. Next, we'll meet two characters who embody these concepts in real life. Imagine Alex and David. Alex earns $10,000 a month, upgrades his car, rents a luxury apartment, and enjoys a comfortable lifestyle. But every month he resets to zero, starting the cycle all over again. David, on the other hand, earns $4,000 a month. He quietly buys assets: a small rental property, index funds, and a side business system. Over time, their paths diverge dramatically. This scene introduces their stories, setting up a powerful comparison that will reveal the true meaning of wealth. Alex's story is a classic example of the lifestyle trap. He earns a high income, but his spending keeps pace with his earnings. Each month he upgrades his car, rents a luxury apartment, and enjoys the finer things in life. But at the end of every month, his bank account resets to zero. Despite his impressive income, Alex is not building wealth. He's simply maintaining an expensive lifestyle. In the next scene, we'll see how David's approach leads to a very different outcome. David takes a different approach. Instead of spending his income on luxury items, he invests in assets. He buys a small rental property, puts money in index funds, and builds a side business system. Over the years, David's assets grow and start generating income on their own. His money begins to work for him, freeing him from the need to constantly earn more. This scene highlights the power of quiet, consistent investing and how it leads to real financial freedom. As years pass, Alex and David's lives take very different paths. Alex continues to work hard, relying on his income to support his lifestyle. David, meanwhile, enjoys increasing freedom as his assets generate more and more income. The contrast between their choices becomes clear. One is trapped by his earnings, while the other is liberated by his investments. This scene sets up the next discussion about the hidden dangers of high income and lifestyle expansion. High income creates the illusion of safety. Many people believe that earning more will protect them from financial hardship. But in reality, lifestyle expansion often eats income faster than it grows. The more you earn, the more you spend, and suddenly you're not rich, you're trapped in expensive maintenance. This scene exposes the hidden danger of relying on income alone and prepares us to explore what real wealth looks like. Lifestyle expansion is a silent enemy. As your income grows, your spending habits often grow with it. You upgrade your home, buy nicer cars, and indulge in more luxuries. But these expenses can quickly consume your income, leaving you with little to show for your hard work. This scene illustrates how lifestyle inflation can trap even high earners, preventing them from building real wealth. Next, we'll discuss the importance of keeping and growing your wealth. Wealth is not what you earn, it's what you keep and what keeps growing without you. The true measure of wealth is how long your life can continue if you stop working today. This scene encourages you to reflect on your own financial situation and consider whether your assets are strong enough to support your lifestyle. As we move forward, we'll explore how to build systems that create lasting wealth and freedom. If you stop working today, how long could your life continue? This question reveals everything about your financial health. Those with strong assets can survive and thrive without active income, while those who rely solely on their salary may struggle. This scene challenges you to think beyond income and focus on building wealth that lasts. Next, we'll discuss why the world rewards those who build systems, not just those who work hard. World doesn't reward the hardest workers, it rewards those who build systems that outlast them. While hard work is important, it's not the key to lasting wealth. Building systems such as investments in businesses that operate independently is what creates real freedom. This scene shifts the focus from effort to strategy, preparing you to learn how to build wealth that survives beyond your own labor. Building systems is the foundation of financial freedom. These systems include investments, automated businesses, and passive income streams that continue to generate wealth even when you're not actively involved. By focusing on systems, you can create a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. This scene introduces practical strategies for building systems and set the stage for actionable steps in the next scene. Income is powerful, it buys your present. It allows you to enjoy life, pay bills, and experience comfort. But income is limited to what you earn today. Without assets, your financial security is always at risk. This scene emphasizes the importance of using income wisely and preparing for the future by investing in assets. Next, we'll see how assets buy your future and provide lasting security. Assets are the key to buying your future. They provide ongoing income, stability, and security, allowing you to plan ahead and enjoy life without constant worry. By investing in assets, you build a foundation that supports your goals and dreams. This scene encourages you to focus on asset accumulation and prepares you for the final discussion about freedom and wealth. Ultimately, only assets buy freedom. Income can provide comfort and luxury, but it's assets that create lasting independence. By building a portfolio of assets, you gain control over your life and finances. This scene wraps up the core message of the video, inspiring you to take action and start building wealth that lasts. As we move to the summary, you'll see how these concepts come together to create a new perspective on money and freedom. Let's recap. Income is about earning, while wealth is about keeping and growing. High income can create the illusion of safety, but only assets provide real security and freedom. By understanding the difference and focusing on asset accumulation, you can transform your financial future. This scene summarizes the key points and prepares you for practical steps to build wealth. Ready to build wealth? Start by identifying assets you can invest in: real estate, stocks, or a business system. Set clear goals and create a plan to grow your asset base over time. This scene offers actionable advice to help you begin your journey toward financial freedom. Next, we'll discuss how to avoid common traps and stay focused on your goals. One of the biggest traps is lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to upgrade everything. Focus on building assets instead of spending on luxuries. This scene reminds you to stay disciplined and prioritize long-term wealth over short-term comfort. Next, we'll explore how to automate your investments for consistent growth. Automation is a powerful tool for building wealth. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts so your assets grow consistently without effort. This scene explains how automation can help you stay on track and build wealth over time. Next, we'll discuss the importance of diversification and risk management. Diversification is key to protecting your wealth. Invest in a variety of assets, real estate, stocks, and businesses to reduce risk and increase stability. This scene highlights the importance of spreading your investments and prepares you for strategies to maximize returns. To maximize returns, focus on assets with strong growth potential. Research opportunities, monitor performance, and adjust your portfolio as needed. This scene encourages you to be proactive and strategic in your investment decisions. Next, we'll discuss how to measure your progress and stay motivated. Tracking your progress is essential for building wealth. Set milestones, review your asset growth, and celebrate achievements along the way. This scene explains how regular measurement keeps you motivated and focused on your goals. Next, we'll explore how to stay resilient during setbacks. Setbacks are inevitable, but resilience is key. When investments don't perform as expected, stay calm and adjust your strategy. This scene encourages you to learn from challenges and keep moving forward. Next, we'll discuss the importance of financial education. Financial education is the foundation of wealth. Invest time in learning about assets, markets, and strategies. This scene highlights the value of continuous learning and prepares you for smarter investment decisions. Next, we'll explore how to seek expert advice. Consulting experts can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Financial advisors, mentors, and experienced investors offer valuable insights and guidance. This scene encourages you to seek help when needed and leverage expert knowledge for better results. Next, we'll discuss how to stay disciplined and avoid distractions. Discipline is crucial for building wealth. Stick to your plan, avoid impulsive spending, and stay focused on your goals. This scene emphasizes the importance of consistency and self-control in achieving financial freedom. Next, we'll explore how to celebrate progress without losing sight of your objectives. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated. Recognize your achievements, reward yourself for milestones, and stay positive. This scene explains how celebration can boost morale and help you maintain momentum. Next, we'll discuss the importance of long-term vision. A long-term vision is essential for building wealth. Set big goals, plan for the future, and stay committed to your journey. This scene encourages you to think beyond immediate rewards and focus on lasting success. Next, we'll explore how to adapt to changing circumstances. Adaptability is key in the world of wealth. Markets shift, opportunities arise, and challenges appear. Stay flexible and adjust your strategies as needed. This scene highlights the importance of embracing change and staying open to new possibilities. Next, we'll discuss how to maintain balance in your life. Wealth is not just about money, it's about balance. Maintain harmony between work, investments, and personal life. This scene encourages you to prioritize health, relationships, and happiness alongside financial goals. Next, we'll explore how to build a legacy. Building a legacy is the ultimate goal of wealth. Invest in assets that can be passed down, support causes you care about, and create lasting impact. This scene inspires you to think about the bigger picture and how your wealth can benefit others. Next, we'll discuss how to stay inspired on your journey. Inspiration fuels your wealth-building journey. Surround yourself with positive influences, read success stories, and keep your vision alive. This scene encourages you to stay motivated and continue striving for financial freedom. Next, we'll explore how to share your knowledge with others. Sharing knowledge multiplies its value. Teach others about wealth building, mentor those who are starting out, and contribute to your community. This scene highlights the importance of giving back and creating a ripple effect of positive change. Next, we'll discuss how to keep learning and growing. Continuous learning is vital for wealth. Stay curious, seek new information, and adapt to changing markets. This scene encourages you to embrace lifelong learning and remain open to new ideas. Next, we'll explore how to review your strategies regularly. Regularly reviewing your strategies ensures you stay on track. Analyze your investments, adjust your plans, and optimize for better results. This scene explains how reflection and adjustment lead to continuous improvement. Next, we'll discuss how to stay patient and trust the process. Patience is a virtue in wealth building. Results take time, and consistent effort leads to success. This scene encourages you to trust the process and stay committed even when progress seems slow. Next, we'll explore how to visualize your goals for greater motivation. Visualization is a powerful tool. Picture your goals, imagine your success, and use this mental imagery to stay motivated. This scene explains how visualization can help you overcome obstacles and maintain focus. Next, we'll discuss how to celebrate your journey and inspire others. Every step in your wealth-building journey is worth celebrating. Reflect on your progress, appreciate your growth, and inspire others with your story. This scene encourages you to find joy in the process and share your achievements. Next, we'll wrap up with a final message about freedom and wealth. Freedom is the ultimate reward of wealth. By focusing on assets, building systems, and staying disciplined, you can achieve lasting independence. This scene wraps up the video, reminding you that true wealth is about more than income. It's about creating a life you love. As you move forward, remember that freedom awaits those who build and keep wealth. Now is the time to take action. Start building assets, invest in your future, and embrace the journey toward financial freedom. This closing scene encourages you to apply what you've learned and make choices that lead to lasting wealth. Remember, income buys your present, but assets buy your future, and only assets buy true freedom.